definitely need to tweak the alignment. It wants to pull. So some tweaks before we really hammer super hard on it. So we're kind of taking it easy. We're wanting to read our numbers. I got to hook the scanner up, data log some things, because the tune isn't fully dialed in. That was high range pull. I want to say we were at 60 mile an hour, something like that. I was really trying to pay attention. We're going to do that again. We're going to have more traction than me because of his tires. Are you in, Are you in sport? Yeah. So you had all your power?
Too high.
Too high?
Real high.
You did you spin?
Oh, yeah.
I was spinning mad. That's still pretty good. Got racing's legs.
Dude, you were way out. You got way out of here.
Yeah, it's gone.
It's the same engine.
Just the turbo is all the difference. Just the turbo.
That's a good comparison.
Because I'm still, even the clutching isn't 100% dialed in yet either.
You're probably, that's heavier. Especially with all the...
Oh yeah, because these arms are...
And you.
Yeah.
I mean, so you're probably...
Yeah.
At least a couple...
It's squirrely though. Did you see it all over? It's hard to keep it right. Let's do it again. Yeah, keep in mind guys, these are just kind of messing around runs. Just getting a feel of the machine. Trying to watch our gauges. Let's do a low range run. At limiter, and I know that was 12 pounds of boost. That's nuts. It's touchy. Can't keep it straight. Guys, you don't know, it's so hard to control. It is squirrely, it's everywhere. It's hard to control, it really is. I need to come up with a solution for fast steering. This is what I need.
I see what he's talking about.
Steven won.
Did he?
Yeah. Oh yeah, he passed him, and he started late.
Yeah.
He took him over.
Oh, wow. He went too fast. Yeah, I did. Well guys, we broke the Super ATV Rack Boss 2.0. It shredded the gear inside. I'm able to drive it somewhat. We put it in low. So thinking I should probably work on a stronger bracket pinion. It barely steers. Barely. I think we're gonna make it back to camp. We're gonna try. I'm sorry guys, but this is why you go out and you test and tune. Come on, steer. Come on, steer. If I keep it in one spot, it steers. It's kick it. Wait. Go ahead. Hold on. Ready? Yep. You got that tire running? Yep.